Hello everyone. Pasok tayo dito sa mga chocolates to eh. Drop price daw sila, super cheap. Ah, puro chocolates. Ayun si Kim oh, namili na. Ayun oh, mga chocolates yan. Chocolates oh. Price is almond. I like almond. Gusto ko yung mga chocolates na may mga peanuts. I like it. Almond. Si Kim kumuha na niyan eh. Oh, kita mo yan. My darling. Oh, dairy milk. Dairy milk. Grabe yung mga price nila, oh. Sabi ko kay Kim, ito gusto ko, almonds. This one. Almonds. Chocolate store in Singapore. Tama yan. Wow, yung kanilang Hershey's, oh. Kisses Hershey's. Ha. So yummy. My goodness, ang sugar. Kumustahin nyo naman ang sugar ni Tintin. Na sa level 1. Oh, ha? Dairy milk. Where are you, my darling? Agoy, dami nang nabili ng akin, my darling, na chocolates. My darling. Bara, my darling. Ayun si my darling. My darling, show to me to buy. Oh, dami nang napili si my darling. Oh my goodness, dami. Ito pala yung store ng chocolate sa Singapore. Maybe I like there is peanut almond. No, Casio. I like this one too. My darling. I like this one, my darling. Saan to ako, my darling? Nawawala man. I love sweet. That is why kuan. Dala, my darling ah. I love so sweets. Yan. Nakabit-bit na, ang dami. Wala, sige my darling, hutdan ng ilang chocolates here. M&M. Ah. Toblerone tayo dito sa Toblerone. Oh, super cheap. Super cheap. Super cheap daw sila.